Rosalia. Tonight I'm gonna cook my dinner is bang bang chicken salad. So, ang mga kailangan natin is chicken breast. Ayan, minarinate ko na siya kanina ng marinate mo siya with Chinese pipe spice. And I season with salt and black pepper. So, since na-marinate ko na siya, ayan, it's ready to cook na siya. Ayan, iniinit ko na yung frying pan. Ayan siya. Tadaan! So, ayan. And then, also, you need some wala kasi ako nga dito sa'yo. Romanian lettuce. And you need 1 lime. And you need the red radish, 1 pack. 1 carrots. Spring onion, 1 red chili. And and 1 cucumber. And long beans. So these long beans you need to is only blanched, and then okay. So and then 1 crushed garlic. Okay, so let's do. Now let's cook. Let's put just only little bit olive oil. So, okay. I use olive oil because it's, you know, it's healthy. So, okay. Let's fry. And then also you need some black sesame seed, light soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, and peanuts. 30 grams peanuts. It depends to your taste, so you can add little bit more. Okay, let's fry. Fry. Ito ang aking maliit na kusina. Let's gonna try this bang bang chicken salad. Fry. Okay, ayan. Hindi pa siya naluluto. At kailangan ko pang i-golden brown siya. So, ulitin natin ulit yung mga ingredients para kasi I think it's really yummy. So, let me show you again the ingredients. So, again, you need to marinate the chicken breast with 5 Chinese spice. And you need to season with salt and black pepper. So, and then you need 1 crushed garlic, 1 chili, 1 I think 3 stalk of spring onion, 1 cucumber, red cabbage, 1 carrot, and Romanian lettuce, and 1 lime. And for the sauce for the chicken, you need to I think it's you can check maybe it's too salty. If you don't like, so you can just add little bit light soy sauce. You need a sweet chili sauce, peanut, and oh dear, black sesame seeds. So this one, peanut butter, sweet chili sauce, black sesame seeds. Okay, so after my chicken is finished, I just wait until it's golden brown. That's this one. It's not yet finished, so I need to wait until it's golden brown. Okay, let me. So ayan, I think ayan, medyo okay na siya. Ano na siya, brown, golden brown na siya. Tiyan! Okay, so ang gagawin natin is let's shred. Ayan, hiwa-hiwain natin ay himay-himayin natin siya. Ayan, himay-himay. Since mainit, so ayan. And then, habang hinihimay niyo siya, turn off nyo na yung fire, and then, okay. Yan. Tapos, ilalagay nyo na yung garlic. So, since ayoko ng raw garlic, so, niluto ko siya ng konti. Ayan, nilagay ko na siya dyan sa may gilid. Ayan, niluluto ko muna yung, I sweat a little bit the garlic since I don't like raw. That's why. Ayan. And then, okay, mix mo na siya. Okay. And then, yan, ilalagay mo na yung sweet chili soy sauce. Ayan, oh my God. It looks so yummy. And then, ilalagay mo na rin yung peanut butter. Wow. And of course, the soy sauce. Soy sauce, ayan. Mix it well. Ayan. So, since ayan na-boil ko na rin yung long beans, i-squeeze na natin dito yung lime. Ilagay na natin ito. Okay, let's go and let's mix everything. Yan, mix na natin lahat. Oops. I think it's too much. Ta-da! Wow, it looks so yummy. I think I just only add little bit chili because I think it's very spicy. I just only put the half. That's enough. Okay, let's see. Let's mix. Yeah, wow. Oh my god, it's too much. Tcharam! So, ayan. And then, season with black sesame seed. Okay, let's try. Oh my god. Sarap na. Hope you guys try this bang silicone salad. So it's really yummy. Okay, I want to enjoy it. Bye. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.